Hey, I just got back from a run and my bun stayed on. My dog's drinking water, as you can hear. I'm in the middle of a heat wave and went for a run and this thing stayed up. And I went running up a mountain and back. Because normally you put your hair in a bun and you put bobby pins in it. And you're like, okay, good, I want to keep that hair off my neck because it's hot. And you start exercising, the whole thing comes out and you just put it in a ponytail. Anyway, I'm going to show you a bun that it stays on. See, I was gone for about, 45 minutes. It's got like that French thing. I don't know if I can do that again, maybe it does that every time. I don't know. I don't normally look at the back of it, but it's cute. And it stays on. So I'm going to quickly show you how to do it. All you need is like a clipper thingy, a hair clip, and a ponytail. Like I haven't even brushed my hair yet today. Because, I just got up and went for a run. So, just got to take this thing out. It's in there, man. It is in there. Okay. So, anyway, you just put your hair in a ponytail. I'm not going to show you that. Everybody knows to stick their hair in a ponytail. See, I haven't brushed it or anything. It's stringy. It's perfect. And I didn't want to run with my hair on my back because it's too hot. So anyway, all you do, put your hair in a ponytail. I do a little twist, make it easier. And then you just go, take this, and you go as if you're going to put it in your hair right here. As if you're going to clip it like that. But you go like that and then you just twirl it around the clip. Twirl it as many times as you can twirl. Then put it back on your elastic knot thingy, your tie. And then you just, of course, then you just adjust it so you can't see the tie and you're done. It's not coming off. I can't really see because the thing is so small, but there you go, whatever. It's not gonna come off and you don't have to go buy bobby pins. And this is what it looks like from the back. Hopefully it's cute. I don't know. Oh, actually I have a mirror. Let's see how it looks. Oh wow, looks really good. It's nice and healthy looking. If you have like barely any hair like me, it makes it, because as you get older, your hair gets thinner. Anyway, if you put this thing around it and you do this, it looks like I have a big, fancy bun. I mean, I could wear my hair like this all day. This is my new hairstyle in this heat. Anyway, there you go. It's super easy. You can make it even bigger. You can make it messy, and it'll stay.
Oh, yeah.
So anyway, there you go. Hope you enjoyed that. If you did, like it. If you don't, unlike it.
Oh, no.